Hi and welcome to Taromovies.
Hello.
Today I have a very special guest up here, Felix Immler, the author of two great outdoor books. One is Carving with the Pocket Knife and the other one is Building a Whole Bushcraft Camp only with the pocket knife. It was a very spontaneous decision that we meet up here, so it's quite late, 5 p.m. We have about an hour time to build a little camp up here and stay overnight. If you like, please join us. So we did a very fast tarp setup. We built a very fast upside down layer, and actually that's what I call a bushcraft quickie. What we try here is building a bench, a portable bench that we can sit closer to the fire. So that's the first part of our bench. It's very dark, so I hope you can see a little bit. This bench is really improvised and simple made, but it works. Yeah! Now it's time to eat and get some sausages or whatever. Hello! Ah, Johnny! Hello!
Wow.
Okay, see you tomorrow, Felix.
Bye bye. Sleep well.
Not much to film because of the early darkness, but hopefully we can share some more stuff tomorrow. So see you guys. Good night. Good morning.
Morning.
Had a very good night. It was around 0 degrees, so no problem at all. Very comfortable. But now we are a bit hungry. We plan to make goulash. Felix is responsible for a new table here, and I'm starting the fire right now. All is done. Felix forgot his spoon at home. He had to carve a new one. Of course, he was using his Victorinox pocket knife for it. And now we can enjoy ourselves and wait for the goulash. Wow, look at this.
Saludos, my friend.
Saludos. Hey. Look at this, guys. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. We are leaving our place as we found it, and Felix can not only carve spoons. In his next video he will carve some skis, so I put the link to this video beneath in the description box. I hope you like our little outing and our camp up here, and you will join Taromovies the next time again. Thanks for watching, tschüss, ciao and bye bye.